To add text to your site, you will need to insert a text box. From the right-hand panel, click on text box, and a text box will be inserted into your site at the very top section. You can move it around later. Now you can either type into the box or you can paste if you have a bit of copied text that you would like to use. Above the text box, you have your formatting toolbar. You can make it bold, italics, you can align it, add numbers and bullets, and you can link the text to a page within your website or an exterior website. And you can delete it if you want to. Over here is where you can change the size of the text. You get a couple of options. So you've got title, heading, subheading, or normal text, depending on how you want to see it on your page. So I'm just going to give it a subheading. Okay. The other thing that you might want to do is over here, when you hover, you can select the background of this section. So if we go to section background, depending on what color you have used from your theme, you can change the color of the section. So if I click emphasis 2, then you can see that it gets a bit darker. Emphasis 1 is slight, it's got a slight color behind it, or standard as it was before. You might also want to add an image. You can also, if you hover here, move the section around. Okay, so you can move it around if you want to. So that's adding the text and moving your section. Now if I hover at the bottom here, you can also add a footer. So you might just want to put your name in there to say that you've created it, or when, or the date. Okay, so I'm just going to pop my name in there, and that will appear on all the pages of your website.